ultimate budget travel packing tips for air travel. Hey everyone, Maleka here, and listen up because I've got some seriously juicy travel tips for you. We're talking about packing like a pro, but on a budget because who doesn't love saving a little cash? Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or planning your very first adventure, we've all been there. Staring at that suitcase, wondering how on earth we're going to fit a week's worth of stuff into something the size of a bread box. Fear not, my friends, because I've got your back. This is your ultimate guide to packing smart, packing light, and most importantly, packing without breaking the bank. Get ready for some serious travel hacks. Okay, let's be real. Flights can be, well, a little on the boring side sometimes, right? Hours stuck in a big metal tube with nothing to do but stare at the back of the seat in front of you. Ugh, the worst. Remember that time I was flying to see Portia in New York and my in-flight entertainment system decided to take an unexpected vacation of its own? I'm talking about a dead screen, people. I swear, those 5 hours felt like 5 days. So trust me on this one. Always, and I mean always, bring your own entertainment. A good book, some downloaded movies, your favorite playlist, whatever tickles your fancy. Believe me, your sanity will thank you. What's your go-to in-flight entertainment? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's talk about staying healthy on your travels. We all want to be out there living our best lives, not stuck in bed with a nasty cold, right? Picture this. You're on an exotic island, sun shining, waves crashing, and bam, a raging headache hits. You go for your trusty pain relievers, but they're nowhere to be found. You forgot to pack them. Don't let this be you. A dedicated travel medicine bag is a lifesaver. Pack all your essentials. Pain relievers, allergy meds, motion sickness pills, just in case. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. What's in your travel medicine kit? Share your tips below. Packing for different activities can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube. Am I right? One minute you're trekking through a jungle, the next you're sipping cocktails on a rooftop bar. You don't want to be caught in the mountains wearing your fanciest dress, or worse, trying to hike in those cute but completely impractical heels. That's why packing versatile clothing items is key. Think neutral colors, layers that can be mixed and matched, and comfortable shoes that can transition from day to night. What's your favorite versatile travel outfit? Comment below. Chapter 4. Beware the weight limits. Okay, let's talk about those pesky weight limits. You know the ones I'm talking about? The ones that have us all sweating bullets at the check-in counter, praying our bags don't tip the scales? There's nothing more embarrassing than having to frantically repack your suitcase in the middle of a crowded airport. Trust me, I've been there. A portable luggage scale is a game changer. Weigh your bags before you leave home and avoid those dreaded overweight fees. Plus, you'll feel super smug watching everyone else panic while you breeze through check-in. Ever had to repack at the airport? Share your story. Chapter 5. Carry on to avoid baggage fees. Speaking of fees, let's talk about those pesky baggage fees. They're like the annoying neighbor who keeps borrowing your sugar but never returns the favor. Imagine this. You found the perfect flight, booked it, and then bam, hit with those hidden baggage fees. Talk about a mood killer. My advice? Pack everything you need in a carry-on suitcase. Not only will you save money, but you'll also breeze through the airport without having to wait for your luggage. It's a win-win! How do you pack everything in a carry-on? Share your tips. Chapter 6. Pack light. Now I know what you're thinking. Packing light is easier said than done, right? But trust me, your back will thank you. Remember that time I tried to navigate the cobblestone streets of Rome with a suitcase that weighed more than a small elephant? Let's just say it wasn't pretty. The key is to pack only the essentials. Do you really need 5 pairs of shoes for a weekend getaway? Probably not. Choose versatile items that you can mix and match, and leave those just in case outfits at home. What's your secret to packing light? Let us know. Chapter 7. Bring reusable items. Let's talk about being kind to our planet even while we travel. We all love exploring new places, but we also want to preserve them for future generations, right? Single-use plastics are a major no-no. They end up polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. Instead, pack a reusable water bottle, some eco-friendly utensils, and a reusable shopping bag. These small changes can make a big difference. What reusable items do you pack? Share your ideas. Chapter 8. Pack snacks. Okay, let's be real, airport food is expensive. And let's not even get started on those tiny bags of pretzels they give you on the plane. Remember that time I got stuck on the tarmac for 3 hours with nothing but a stale croissant to keep me going? Avoid hanger pangs by packing your own healthy snacks. Trail mix, fruit, granola bars, anything to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Trust me, your stomach and your wallet will thank you. What's your favorite travel snack? Comment below. Chapter 9. Use packing cubes or compression bags. Ever opened your suitcase after a long flight to find that your clothes have somehow morphed into a wrinkled, jumbled mess? Packing cubes and compression bags are about to become your new best friends. They'll keep your clothes organized, wrinkle-free, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can fit in your suitcase. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. Do you use packing cubes? How do they help you? Chapter 10. Plan for emergencies, first aid kit. Now, I'm not talking about packing for a zombie apocalypse here, but a little first aid kit can go a long way. Imagine this. You're exploring a new city, and bam, you trip and scrape your knee. A small cut can quickly turn into a major inconvenience if you're not prepared. Pack a compact first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, just the basics. It's always better to be safe than sorry. What's in your travel first aid kit? Share your essentials. Chapter 11. Avoid overpacking electronics. We live in a digital world, but that doesn't mean you need to pack your entire tech collection. Remember that time I brought my laptop, tablet, phone, and headphones on a weekend trip? I spent more time untangling cords than actually enjoying my vacation. Stick to the essentials: your phone, a good pair of headphones, and maybe a tablet if you really need it. Trust me, less is more when it comes to electronics. What electronics do you always pack? Let us know. So there you have it, folks. My top tips for packing like a pro without breaking the bank. Remember, traveling should be fun and stress-free, and packing shouldn't feel like you're competing on a reality TV show. Now go forth and explore the world, my friends. And don't forget to send me a postcard from your adventures. Just kidding, you can just tag me in your Instagram photos. And most importantly, remember to pack your sense of adventure, your curiosity, and of course, your sense of humor. Safe travels, everyone.